Welcome back to Biddy Studios, everybody. Last week we had our class, our totem class. We had such a good time. Insert pictures of totem class here and the little speech that I made to my friends. First, I want to make a toast. I want to make a toast to all our health for being able to be here. A toast to friends. And for a little while, we just want to detox, relax, de-stress, and enjoy the process and enjoy each other. Let's drink! Cheers! So inspired by last week's totem class, I had another idea. I have a lot of pieces of wood, random pieces of wood that a friend of Didi's gave us. So I thought, why not make another totem, but this time Disney inspired. Okay, so here's my basic idea. I have this circle. I'm going to apply the two ears back here. I'm going to do this section with dots. And what I want to do is that I have just sketched it here for my own, oopsie, no worries. For my own ideas, but I want to do something like this. Just the ideas of red with that, I did a blotch there, but red with black dots or white with red lines, and then these could be white and just inspired by the colors of Mickey and Minnie. So that's what we're going to work on. But first, let me show you, we have a guest in the studio. Come here, Molly. Come say hi to everybody. We're dog sitting Molly for the week. She's the best girl ever, so that means that Gato Malo cannot come into the studio this week. That means the cat, the bad cat, bad boy. Even though he gets along with dogs, he lives with a dog. But she no gusta gatos. So
she's an only dog.
She's an only dog. Say hi. Hi, I'm Molly. Hi.
Aww.
All right, sit back and watch the Mickey show. Inspired by last week's class, which I already told you, this idea in my mind turned into Mickey. I just love that everybody likes Mickey, but it's Mickey inspired. It's not exactly like the Mickey head, but I just love the graphic colors for a baby's room or for a person who loves Disney room. You could even personalize it and put somebody's name here. Just saying, that would be really, really cute. We will be putting that in the Etsy store, just saying. All right, so like we always say, stay focused, stay centered, stay creative to help you, and we'll see you next week. For now, we're out. Bye. All right. All right, welcome. 10. Hey, take 75. Did you do this?
No.
Take one, Mickey. You wrote it. Let's use it.